Thank you for joining in, and for today's lesson I have a fun magical landscape here, lots of colors. You can see there we're going to use like a Prussian blue, an opera rose, the bright pink, a bright yellow, a deeper pink, some purple, green, and like a golden yellow. And I did speed through the background a little bit here, but you're going to get all of your colors on, and then I recommend you're going to have to let it dry for at least a half an hour, and then you can come back and check your painting before you start the second layer. Once you get all of your background done, now we're going to move on to layering the mountains. And for the paint, I am using the Art Philosophy brand, and this is, well, it's actually a mix here. I'm using the Tropicals palette, and I have a few shades from the Classics, and I've realized that the bright pink from the Classics is really close to, like I said, the Opera Rose. So if you have either one of those, that will be fine. And let's see, for brushes, my brushes and my art journal there are from Jackson's Art, and both of the brushes I used are from the Princeton, the Neptune series. I have the round brush in a size 8, and then the one I'm using right there for the trees is the dagger brush. These come in handy because, like you can see there, you can make really skinny strokes, and then like I was showing on the mountains before that, you can brush it on its side and it'll get a much larger area. And I show similar strokes down in when I start to do the water as well. And then you can also see like little tiny abstract tree formations there, how it starts to spread up top from the water, but then the bottom is still skinny, which it gives it a cool effect. And then as a little bit of add-ons on the side for the trees, I'm using the deeper blue again. Also, if anyone is interested, I do have an affiliate link with Jackson's Art. You can receive 10% off your first order, and I will leave some links down below. And thank you so much for watching.